For centuries, the spotted hyena has borne the reputation of a mere scavenger. But modern research reveals a different truth. Up to 95% of their diet comes from their own hunts. Unlike the lion or the cheetah, which rely on explosive bursts and surprise ambushes, the spotted hyena is built for endurance. With a jaw that generates a bite force of over 1,000 pounds, the strongest of any terrestrial mammal, the hyena can crush even the hardest bones. They pressure their prey as a collective, communicating with their strange laughs and whoops. Hyenas live in clans that can number up to 80 individuals. They are ruled not by the males, but by the dominant females. And their chilling laugh, it is not joy at all. This sound is usually made during moments of social stress or high excitement, such as a dispute over a carcass. Each individual has a laugh with a unique pitch, which reveals its age and status music to others in the clan. It is a complex social bulletin encoded in a sound we often mistake for brutality. Larger, heavier, and hormonally charged, the females enforce a strict matriarchal order. With their numbers, hyenas challenge any rival, even lions. Their clans hold territories that stretch for hundreds of square miles. But they are more than just predators. By consuming carrion, hyenas cleanse the landscape of disease. By culling the herbivore herds, they shape grazing patterns, which in turn shapes the vegetation. In the hierarchy of African predators, the lion rules by strength, the leopard by stealth. The spotted hyena rules by unity, endurance, and the ability to seize every opportunity. As night falls, the lions begin to stir. They do not go straight to the water's edge. Instead, they melt into the tall grass and the earth mounds, waiting, patient, and invisible. The lion is the only big cat that lives and hunts in a pride. Together, they can bring down prey weighing hundreds of pounds, such as wildebeest, zebras, and even the formidable African buffalo. Tonight, at a shrinking waterhole, a black rhino is struggling in desperation. From the darkness, three golden shapes emerge, the lionesses, the seasoned hunters of the pride. A lioness lunges, sinking her teeth into its flank. But the rhino's nearly 2-inch thick hide holds firm. With a powerful jerk, it breaks free and charges. The hunters scatter. Tonight, the giant has escaped. The hunts of lions often unfold with ruthless precision. A few silently circle behind the herd, driving the prey into the waiting jaws of their companions. But the hunt is only the beginning. When the prey is down, the male will come to claim his share first, asserting his dominance as he guards the feast from scavengers like the spotted hyena. His other duty is to patrol the pride's boundaries, protecting the precious waterholes, which are vital for survival in the dry season.